Hi guys, welcome to ARS Buddies. Today we're going to do the Rubik's Cube. It's the 3x3 cube. If you know how to do the 2x2, then you might have known how to do the right yolk. We need that plenty of times in this cube, so make sure you know that. So the first step is to get all the white middles to the center yellow. So make sure it looks like a daisy. So we've got 3 down, search for the others. Now if you have to sacrifice one, you can just find, but then it'll be easier for you to make the daisy. So once you've made the daisy, you have to see that the middle whites, what color they have. So this is blue, so we can turn this around. This is red, we can turn that around. So we're going to turn there. So, and this we need a switch. Do that for all of them. So now you might see the corners already filled, but some of them might be wrong. So this is the blue and red corner, so we're going to do that for the blue and red middle. Do the right yolk for those. You can do the right yolk how much time you want, but if it doesn't come, just keep trying, it'll come. So if you're in this position, it helps to do it one more time like that, and then do a right yolk just one more time, then it'll come. So we have to search for the other one. There it is. I'm going to put it there. So we've got the white covered and the bottom row is done. Now we have to finish the top row. How we do that is, so we find a color that, so for example, the blue and red. Make sure it doesn't have a yellow on top. So we have to put that to the blue, and if this is orange, we turn it this side, and if it's red, we turn it that side. So turn it that side, we do the right yolk, turn it the other side, do the left yolk, and then we've got our top to the side. So if it's like this, just do the right yolk and then do the left yolk. It might be messed up, but it's okay. This will come out. So this, you have to turn it this way, right yolk, and then left yolk. So we've done the blue side. Now let's do the orange side. So if you do this, then it won't come. You just have to find this. If there is no orange, like the color you want, then you can move on to the next one. So there's our orange. We want to change it to here. But first, we need to find the block that comes here. This is the block that comes here. So we're going to do that. Now see, this here, and our green and orange is up here. So we can just turn it around, do the right yolk, do the left yolk, and then we've got our second row covered. But the problem is we can't do the top row, because sometimes it won't come the plus for you. In that case, turn to whatever side, and then do that, and then turn it this side and do the right yolk. Then see, for this situation, we have the F. So like that. Might not come the first few tries, so you have to try a pretty much lot of times, then only you'll get it. You keep doing it until you get the plus. After you've gotten the plus, you have to make sure the corners are in the right place. So how you make sure the corners are in the right place is green, orange goes to green, orange. So this one's correct, but this one's wrong. This one's also wrong. Which one should we do first? Let's do the red one first. So how do you switch these two? Let's figure that out. So you do 3 right yalks and then 3 left yalks. And then the green is here, then the blue is here. So we've changed the 2 blocks. We've changed the 2 blocks' spot from here to here. So we have to switch these two too. Now left yolk. That's good. You can count how much times you do the right yolk and left yolk to help you count. Because sometimes when I do it, I lose count and then I mess up all my hard work. So until we've corrected all the corners, we keep doing the same strategy. So when we've corrected the corners, choose one place. For now, I'm going to choose the blue, turn it upside down, and then do the right yolk. Do the same thing until it comes on the bottom, but don't do like this, or else it'll turn wrong. Spin the bottom one, and then do the right yolk. It's okay if the top gets messed. It'll come back again. So we've got our green solved, but we have to match all these. So how do you do that is do right yolk, left yolk, right yolk 5 times, and left yolk 5 times. So see, but if you do the last step, it might not come, but if you keep doing, like if you do 3 times, it'll come. My maximum was the 5, so you might have to do the 5 to get the full Rubik's Cube done, but that's all. Now after we're all done, I'm going to show you 2 tricks. So the first trick is called checker. So we turn this there, and then there, and then we've got the checkerboard. We've got the checkerboard on each cube. Now how you solve it again is go backwards. Then now we've got it. The second trick is called the center change. So you do that, back, and then back. So look, the centers have all changed. Just because of one, we changed everything. So how you solve it is make sure the blue, so if you're solving blue, make sure the blue on top of it is any side like that. So and then the last step is just like turn it down. So those are the 2 tricks. Now let's watch it closely. watching. Bye.